Hello friends, welcome to our channel SandSakura. So today from Facebook I bought one watch actually, as I have received this watch in a very discounted price, and I want to share this watch with you while unboxing it. So this is the watch from HAMER and I'm going to unbox it in front of you. So as you have seen, a very nice box what I have received. And this is the watch. It is actually mechanical automatic watch. Watch my video until the end to get to know the price of this watch. So let's untag it. And along with the watch I have received a warranty certificate. As you have seen, it's a mechanical automatic watch in a stainless steel with a gold color. So let's talk about some features. So as it is written here, it is a water resistance 3 ATM, and this one is used to tighten the coil. As you have seen there, the coil, and to change the time you just need to pull it out and you can change the time. So now it is running. And I have bought the normal one without the date part, and also if you see the white, so this is the radium in the night time, and it looks very classy as I have seen in the website, and that's why I prefer to buy it. With this is with a black leather strap and it looks very classy. That's why the normal price of this watch, the HAMER company watch, mechanical automatic, it costs around 4,000 Thai baht, but with a discount I bought it in only 1,500 Thai baht. So if you really like this watch, you can check with the HAMER and can buy. And thank you for watching my video, and keep like, share and subscribe us.